In the first part of the video, we will talk about a question on probability that involves a statistical graph. In solving questions on probability, we have to apply its definition, which is: the numerator is the number of outcomes favorable to the event in the question, and the denominator is the total number of possible outcomes. In the question, it is given that the probability of a student receiving 4 presents is 5/16. That means we have P 4 presents equals 5/16. For P 4 presents, the denominator is the total number of possible outcomes, which is equal to the total number of students in the group. That is 5 plus 14 plus x plus 3. The numerator is the number of outcomes favorable to the event in the question, which is equal to the number of students receiving 4 presents, that is x. We can then come up with an equation: x over 5 plus 14 plus x plus 3 is equal to 5/16. By solving the equation, x is equal to 10. In the second part of the video, we will show you a mistake commonly made by students when handling questions on probability. In this question, 2 balls are randomly drawn at the same time, from 6 balls numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. Find the probability that the numbers on the 2 balls drawn are consecutive integers. When handling questions on probability, it is common to list out all the possible outcomes by a table first. However, some students may have done this without carefully determining whether there are impossible outcomes. In this question, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6 are impossible outcomes. Students should not mistake the total number of possible outcomes, which should be 30, instead of 36. Moreover, in fact, we do not need to fill in the table completely. The question asks us to find the probability that the numbers on the 2 balls are consecutive integers. So, what are the outcomes? They are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4 and 6, 5. Only these 10 outcomes are favorable outcomes. The rest are not, and so there is no need to list them out. Therefore, the required probability is 10/30, which is equal to 1/3. In sum, when handling questions on probability, we need to be careful to exclude the impossible outcomes. And to save time, it may not be necessary to list out all the possible outcomes.